Hi. Welcome back to my channel. Shout out to the following: Patsy Island Life, El Prisco, Bea TV channel. Please visit our playlists: Photoshop with T-shirt printing, Corel Draw with T-shirt printing, cooking and salads, Filmora video editing tutorials, basic accounting tutorials, makeup tutorials, military news update, YouTube tips, skincare, sorry, travel vlog. Let us print our T-shirt with front and back designs. This is for our front design. Let us mix well our inks before applying. We will use metallic silver for our back design. And always, don't forget to apply heat press, to make our design firm and glossy. That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.